Turn your living room into a showroom where your furniture takes center stage. Let your outdoor entertaining shout perfection to your neighbors. And don't stop until the bedroom is a harmonious balance of cozy and intimate. Create all of this and more with the Dwellings Design Studio, the most incredible new service for transforming your home into a work of art.
Hi, I'm Vani Maharaj, Interior Designer and Design Studio Manager for Dwellings Trinidad. And this is Christina Ringis, my Design Admin Assistant.
The Dwellings Design Studio can outfit your home, rental property, restaurant, hotel, or corporate office with a turnkey approach and exclusively modern touch. Vani Maharaj is driven by her passion to learn, her ambition, and above all, to make spaces beautiful. What started as a hobby quickly escalated into a full-time career. Her secret artillery includes her education, professionalism, and a design perspective informed by world travels. With 6 years' experience as a certified interior designer, she is more than qualified to see your project from scratch to reveal. Her clients, more and more, comment on her ability to bring a perfectly sophisticated look to everything she tackles.
Our design studio offers a free consultation where I meet with my clients in office. That's where I try to get an understanding for the scope of their project, their budget, and their style. And then we will do a site visit, my team and myself, where we will gather all the information that we need, our necessary measurements. That's when I come up with a design concept. Once we get back in office and start planning, that's when things really start to get exciting.
With access to thousands of products from hundreds of brand name suppliers, their team of design professionals can source and customize furnishings to suit any style and budget. The Design Studio also offers special package pricing. And of course, the client does not have to worry about the limits with foreign exchange and the hassle of sourcing and importation of items. When all items are received, they arrange delivery with their professional team. And now the fun starts.
One of my favorite designs is the modern glam look because I think that adding a touch of sparkle to any space adds luxury and elegance to that room.
Vani, alongside her team, carefully unpack each item, and they work together seamlessly to install every last detail. And then comes the big reveal. The Dwellings Design Studio also does commercial projects and offers full turnkey packages and show unit staging services for developments of any size, as well as contract-grade furnishings and accessories for hotels and restaurants. With nothing to lose and the world to gain, start today with your free consultation and take it all the way to a custom design for your entire home or business. The Dwellings Design Studio team is dedicated to bringing their passion to your home. Make an appointment today and get closer to that dream home you've always wanted.